Alright, today we are working on why this hatch on the old Jeep Grand here doesn't want to lock. The door popper works fine. That works. But it doesn't lock. So I'm going to pull this panel down, and I picked up another lock mechanism from the junkyard. So you got two screws, a screw here, here, one here. Then you got two screws up here on top of the panel. Long ones. Alright, so once you get that down, make sure you unplug your defroster clips. Just your typical squeeze and pull. And then I'm going to pull down on this. What I've noticed on these Jeeps is these moisture barriers pretty much disintegrated at this point into a zillion pieces, as you can see. So, that obviously won't be making it back on. Alright, so now that I have the panel off, I'm just going to go ahead and use the key fob and watch the action here and see what I can see. So, this motor is running when I hit the key fob, but nothing happens. Alright, here we go, lock. But obviously there's no actuation happening. So, needs to be replaced. Alright, so here's the unit I got out of the junkyard for 11 bucks. And I'm just going to go ahead and just replace just the module here. It's just one screw here holding in and one screw here holding on the lever with a Torx 15. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and remove this lever. My guess is that the one in the Jeep is just stripped. Pop that off. Unscrew right here. Let's see here. Okay, you can see on the back it's got little slots up here, so it just slides down and pops out. Alright, there it is. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and remove this lever, and we'll take a look in there. Pop that down. I'm going to actuate it again. And we can see that that's not spinning, so obviously the gears are stripped out. So, let's go ahead and pop this off of here. Pop in the new one. Alright, see that? Actuator. So we'll just pop this baby back in, this new one, or this used one from the junkyard. Simple as that. Put the holding screw back in. Swing this lever back over. Line it up. Alright, let's see what happens. Look at that. Check it out. Sweet. Alright, we got a secure Jeep again. That was really simple. Taking out the whole mechanism, I took the whole mechanism out. I had to undo these clips. I used a 9mm socket to undo this clip, and I slid a 9mm socket down the cable and pushed against the thing here to pop this cable off of here, because I left the cables on the one at the junkyard. So same thing on this one. Undid this clip, popped the cable off, slid the socket down, pressed it down, and what it does is it squeezes the plastic here. That plastic's expanded out, and it squeezes it in and lets you pop it out of there. And I took the whole mechanism. It was $11. But you could just take that if you had the right Torx with you at the junkyard. I think it's a 15. Real easy to get that out of there. Alright, I'm excited. Put this panel back, and we've got a rear door lock again. On a side note here, sort of, for some reason none of these white ones came out. Those need to be taken back off and put back on the panel, otherwise you'll never get it back on. And I had a couple of these yellow ones broke. Actually almost half of them. So make sure you have some of those on hand. I actually grabbed a bunch of those while I was at the junkyard as well. So I'll be able to pop this baby back together. Yeah, they're in there good. Alright, we got a secure Jeep again. I hope this helped you guys out if you were having the same issue. Real quick fix, $11 for the part of the junkyard. I suppose you could order it off eBay, get it on Amazon probably as well. Please, if you can, like and subscribe my videos and click the little notification bell so that you get all the latest videos. And I hope you guys have a good one. Peace out.